Hey, Vietnam eye. Help my people see what's going on in the country. All the them seem to see, but they can make all you see. You understand? Boom. All now, I even more vexed with them bus driver. You feel? I'm more vexed with them bus driver than them policeman, you know. Because boom, we don't know when protests taking place. You check? No protest action, no little thing we have to do to stand for our rights. We don't know what them police there to do already. Them police not there to secure, them police not there to uphold, them police not there to protect. You check? You have to hold all the water, all the rag and thing, all the milk, because it's tear gas, it's kick, it's stomp, it's rubber bullet, it's real bullet. All you don't know already is not know that happening. All little peaceful protests, all you know how it turning out already. You check? There is not no rocket scientist thing for you to try and figure out. No matter how peaceful or you say it peaceful in, once the man send his dogs outside there, all you don't know what them dogs coming to do. So I don't even vex with them police. Them police are custom of abusing their authority and thing. You check? And the other one, my partner, you good too, yeah? Yeah. Your brother just died the other day. Half of them same people you fighting down with there that to transport people to go your brother funeral. Huh? You check? Together with you. You check? Accept this sympathy together with you. But now look at you. You understand? Them same boss that transport how much people to your brother funeral, you boy, you know yourself, you know. You check? It have people now that ailing you, that checking you, that bigging you up because of the person your brother was. Look now your brother died. Them same people that was there along together with you for one cause, your brother. You see, you know. But don't worry, you know. Don't worry. Every half the day. Anyways, back to the matter at hand. You check? You see them bus driver? I vex with all you. You understand? I vex with all you. Not still the fact that when election had come in, all they running up and down because we don't know how Dominicans stay ready. We hungry. You check? But I vex with all you because now all you putting a plan in place and then all you still not sticking to the plan. You feel? All you don't sticking to the plan. All you find out you going on 0 miles an hour, hold on the traffic to do all your little thing. Do what all you say, all you going and do. You understand? All you have police coming and cut away all you and block all you seen. And I hear in a kind of a nonsense. It have 3/4, let's see, a meeting of how much people cabinet. All you there, all you argue, you can do that. Now look the time to do it now. I do saying some still going around the road. A few of them going around the road. I don't know if it's the matter of the hungry or the not in it, and who said that in politics and thing. Some still going around the road. The other set now, they do go in the protest to fight with everybody else. They might not run the road through, but they stay at the home, and after all of all they are playing part signing people together. But all you agree to do a thing, do it. You check? Look the other set now. Boom. The other set done there, and the other set you check. The other set hanging up the flag and thing, and staying at the home and doing a set of march and have one set of people fighting for everybody. If all you agree to stand. You understand? Now, all when it comes to boss association and all kind of a thing, all of I look and I turn and I see is Sheppy and Shy Guy. Turn Sheppy and Shy Guy, all that ambassador of the scene. No time is for action now because people calling for something. I do see Sheppy, I do see Shy Guy. Sheppy not nowhere to be seen. Shy Guy hiding in shadows. All that is the voice of the people. All that's supposed to be on the front line. If they can come and think the ambassador, if they want to come and hit somebody, they have to hit the ambassador first. If they want to touch somebody, they have to touch the ambassador first because that is the voice of the people. Now, them kind of things they are making people think now. All that now, people try and say it's not politics, but all that is like politically motivated. Because who that they're playing the voice of the people, we don't know who they're voting for already. Now, they're not supposed to be standing up for the people now, we are them. But when it's time to collect certificate, and when it's time to go on camera and take a picture, and have bus full and playing part, like it's so much of thing they doing, is they face that there. So where they face right there, for people to say, Papa, boy, Jay Sheppy, they do that. Nobody can do Sheppy that. They can't do Shy Guy that. People stand black at the home watching that, will come out and argue for that. They can't disrespect ambassador like that. But we are all you. They pay all you to stay out, man. All you agree to stay out. All you send them people there. All you send all your own people to get eaten by wolves. I can understand the magic that happen in the country. You check? I hear they talking to a partner, the man talking about, they ask him what as a bus driver, what you need, what is the outcome out of that. come and talk about 6 grand. What nonsense is that? Them pussy man talk about 3 grand, all you can talk about 6 grand. What the hell is that? All you talking about what they call that? Erica, Maria, COVID, all kind of a thing. And you're talking about 6 grand. Bus driver calling radio, talking about you have to run how much days to buy pound of sugar for his children and thing. You don't have fuel to buy. Look, gas going up. All talking about 6 grand. All you do already yet, boy. That bus association, all you do not united. All you leaders yourself undermining all you to sell you and die. I can't understand them kind of magic that happen in the country, boy. Pure rubbish that happen in the country. I'm more vexed with all you than them damn policeman. You understand? All you're supposed to hold on the scene. All you have the country rolling. Make people see without all you needed. But all you don't want to need one another. All you don't need one another to unite, man. All you don't to show all yourself. All you need one another to unite, to overthrow the scene. All you so weak-minded. I can't understand all the people, boy. Don't mean can you check pure shit? Yeah, I can't take that in. How much bus driver doing magie?
Yeah, you check another.
You check?
You
You check? I taking a pure nonsense them and doing. And I just want to just check. I don't know now. I don't even know here, boss. You see that kind of a mentality we have there, we don't gonna go nowhere. Because if we don't unify for what that right, poor J, we can get blows on the wrong. Honestly. But later I'm to see some bus driver. Because I can't understand that. That partner will be talking for yourself. Everyone that 6 grand for yourself, but I can't understand that. All you boss with 30 grand, 35, 40 grand, $1,000 for boss. You check 50 grand for boss. Much as if you go buy auto trade and buy boss. Bye bye. You understand? 6 grand. How long boss down? They send how much money for all you. The World Bank send how much money for people. For all you serve them bus drivers. They send money for stimulus. All you yet to get nothing. The money they send for all your own money. They put it in bank for you to take loan. Or you go in and take loan on that money. You understand? You can pay back with interest. They turn all bus driver into businessman. Not all of that to pay tax. You understand? You get send the next money for all you. For all you, they send the money. Or you can take loan. You get done said. Have the man on radio saying how over 200 bus driver done apply for. How much people? 25 or 20. Even know apply for loan. You check over $12,000 and thing. To pay it back on the what economy. They can pay back that loan. Under what economy they can pay it back. When what had happened in there. People have to strike, gas going up. How they can pay that back? I can't understand them Dominicans. Pure nonsense. And after, we want to see Sheppy and them come and talk. Sheppy and Shy Guy. Talking about 6 grand. Man getting rubber bullet and blows. Talk about 6 grand. Boy, all you Dominicans here. All you too good. Anyways, I don't know this scene already. Boy, imagine. Yeah. Under the whole scene, you don't have to be laugh. She will be laugh. She will say police and humans fighting.
Police and humans fighting.
I agree, she will. Because the police have a kind of attitude there, but yeah, police and humans fighting, you know.